Day 5. Seeing Life from God's View. Hi friends, welcome back to our purpose-driven life journey. We are now on Day 5, Seeing Life from God's View. Alam mo ba, ang pananaw natin sa buhay ay parang salamin. Kung anong lens ang gamit mo, doon nakabase kung paano ka magde-decide, mag-react at mamuhay araw-araw. Rick Warren teaches us that to live with purpose, we need to see life not from our own eyes, but from God's perspective. Life is a test. Unang perspective, life is a test. Every single day, God allows situations, both big and small, para makita kung paano tayo magre-respond. Minsan test of patience. Nakatraffic ka, anong reaction mo? Minsan test of faith. Nawalan ka ng trabaho or may pagsubok sa pamilya, tatakbo ka ba palayo sa Diyos? O mas lalapit sa Kanya? And James 1:2-3 says, "Consider it pure joy whenever you face trials of many kinds, because the testing of your faith develops perseverance." Kapag naiintindihan mo na life is a test, nag-iiba ang attitude mo. Hindi ka na basta nagre-reklamo. Instead, you ask, "Lord, what do you want me to learn through this?" Life is a trust. Pangalawang perspective, life is a trust. Lahat ng meron ka, pera, talento, oras, pamilya, trabaho, ay hindi mo pag-aari. Lahat ay hiram lang kay Lord. Psalm 24:1 says, "The earth is the Lord's and everything in it." This means we are only stewards or caretakers. Ang tanong, faithful ka ba sa maliit na bagay na ibinigay niya? Kung paano mo ginagamit ang iyong oras? Kung paano ka mag-handle ng pera? Kung paano ka magturing sa kapwa? Lahat yan ay susi kung mapagkakatiwalaan ka ng Diyos with greater blessings. Luke 16:10 reminds us, "Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much." So kung gusto mong pagkatiwalaan ka ng Lord ng mas malaki, start being faithful with what you have right now. At pangatlo, life is temporary. This world is not our final home. We are just passing through, parang mga pilgrims sa daan. 2 Corinthians 4:18 says, "We fix our eyes not on what is seen, but on what is unseen. For what is seen is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal." Kung titingnan mo ang buhay sa ganitong lens, magbabago ang priorities mo. Hindi ka na mabubuhay lang para sa comfort, pera, o fame, kasi alam mong panandalian lang yon. Instead, you focus on building your character, loving God, and serving others, kasi yun ang eternal investments na hindi mawawala. So friends, Day 5 reminds us, life is a test. Every trial is an opportunity to grow. Life is a trust. Everything you have is God's gift. Life is temporary. Our real home is in eternity. Reflection question. What recent situation in my life can I now see as a test or trust from God? Keep seeing life through God's eyes, and you'll discover His purpose more clearly every day. See you tomorrow for Day 6.